how to say cat and dog in Chinese. First of all, today we're going to learn dog. You're so funny, Emily. How you say dog is pronounced go, and which is meaning of dog. Go. Can you try? Emily, can you say go? Go. Do you know what it means? Go. Nice try, Emily. But go means dog in Chinese. Yeah. Hey, dog. This is dog. That's right. For example, if you wanted it to put it in a sentence, I can see a dog. Can you say 我可以? Can you try saying that, Emily? 可以. Can you say 我可以? 我可以. That's right. Can you all try? Excellent. Now to do the other half of the sentence. 我可以看到一个狗. Can you say 看到一个狗? 看到一个狗. Can you try? Great work. Now, do you remember how to say dog today? Do you know how to say dog in Chinese, Emily? Nice try, Emily. Do you all remember? Great! Now I'm going to introduce cat. How you say cat in Chinese is 猫. Can you say 猫? Meow. Nice try, Emily. But can you say oh? Oh. Say mo. Mo. You're funny, Emily. Can you all try? Great. Say mo a couple of times. Can you say mo? Mo. Mo. You're so funny, Emily. Do you remember how to say cat? Cat. Do you know how to say cat in Chinese? No. Close. Try. It's like mo. Now. You're so funny. Can you try? Let's see if you can remember how to say dog in Chinese. Do you know how to say dog in Chinese? Oh, Emily. Thank you for watching.